here. Some Lautai commented that if you fall in front of you, can you get out? Don't I try this skirt? Good, you just look at the old iron. What about you? Didn't I write to come and save him? You still save me? It's not, that... Are you trying it or what? Deliberately have an opinion about me. I actually want to learn more. Oops, just like you like this. Oops. But this is really tricky. What should I do? No, I don't want this forklift and excavator. You two can do it. Oh, don't, Master. You have to think of a way. This can't come out. No, all our apprentices didn't dare to come over this piece of mud. Just you two. You see, you are older.
He is older than you. He dares to come and save you, isn't it? Shouldn't you notify me at the first time? Yes. You look at it now, it's good. Originally, a forklift was better. You look at the excavator now, I think it's more difficult for you to get out of this excavator than a forklift. Isn't it?
You are all better than me, very powerful. Come out quickly. You drive the forklift first, you wait first. Then you have to prepare it for me. I'm all right. Okay. Really good. You also learned something. Have you learned that traditional aversion? Learned. Top, have you tried it? It's okay, you teach me. You come, listen to me. Kick the big arm, hurry up. Flip out the forklift, right? Press down the boom and then turn out the forklift when you press down, right? Flip out and dump. Slow down. Oops, you hear. Come, hang upside down, press down on the big arm to collect the forklift and fall backwards. Come. One more and more. Good. There is an effect. Come. One more and more. A little bit of effect, I see. Of reading and punching is like this. Come out, get off with the shovel, right? Kick up. This method is also a method that has no way to do it. Can only move out little by little. Again. Oops, I'll go. Arrogance. Push him ahead of him. Come. Tap. That forklift came out. Let's go clean up the garbage again.